Hello, buddy. Here you go. I got a chicken cooking, but no chicken this morning. Sorry. Good morning, sweet boy. Hi. How many times do we catch Marty putting his feet on other people's faces? It's not nice, Marty. It's not nice. Hi. Morris's tucks are the two that haven't had anything yet. Here you go, buddy. Here you go. Good morning, Morris. Good boy. Hi, Mart. Hey, Stripey. Well, we have a glorious morning out here. It's in the 50s. It's cooler. It is cooler, but it's not cold by any stretch. Looks like it's going to be nice most of the week with the chance of rain on Thursday. We could really use a little rain. We're headed to Michelle's house this afternoon for a party. Ariel turned 18 a few days ago. And, you know, the Halloween stuff. But it gets really busy at their house. Anyway, they're trying a Sunday afternoon get together. And we're not going to walk today. I have got so many fall tasks to do. And Don has a couple things he wants to get done. So we're going to head over there around 2:30. But we'll be here. I'm still transforming the house over to Thanksgiving. And I got all these ideas and they just won't wait to come out and be done now. It's another beautiful fall day. Feels so refreshing out here today. The word I want to say is refreshing, and there's our golden tree. I hope to get a few minutes with the blower. Set aside 30 minutes to come and do the blower since I didn't do it yesterday. Well, it is awfully dark in here with just the one light now. I got to fix that, Gray. There you go, baby girl. There you go. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Hi, baby girl. Hi.
Hey.
I'm spinning circles around you.
That's right. That's good.
I want the house to look nice for Thanksgiving, and I want the house to look great for our friends that are coming to visit, and I'm spinning circles around him. I've worked up a sweat. I've got sweat dripping off of me.
Kind of cool. I put my snuggly on.
So the Halloween stuff is down from up there, and I've got 2 or 3 things to set up there that'll look great. And I'm cleaning up over here, and I'm just bringing down the boxes to pack stuff up, and whichever one I come to first. I've made some progress. It still looks very Halloween out here, but there's that Thanksgiving tablecloth on the little cart over there, and phew, it's coming. I've got 3 hours before I have to stop. Well, it's 2:10. I got 20 minutes until I wanted to be ready to leave. And I got a lot done, and I got a little more to do tomorrow. So my Lego Thanksgiving stuff is out here. And I swapped out the plates and the tea light holders. I've got some village pieces here on the hearth, and some owls and turkeys. I really like this old vintage, I don't know, what would you call them? Gourd elves or fall elves. I really like those. They're porcelain. They're probably from the 70s or 80s. They look a little bit like Precious Moments, but they're not. I got to put the couch back together when we get home tonight. I'm out of time. And Gobble Till You Wobble. I've had that forever. New gel clings, and a lot of Annalise, pilgrims, squirrels, pumpkin people, turkeys, stuff that I didn't have out at Halloween but have out now. And you can see I've got my little pilgrim couple here, and yeah, I got to put that back together. Let's see what else. Oh, up here has Thanksgiving stuff now. It's not perfect, but I threw up things I didn't have in other spots that I thought would look okay. And I got out my really cool owl autumn cookie jar, and a couple other things I thought looked lit nicely up there. And a couple more turkeys here. So I got to do this. It's not as bad as it looks. And I've got to put away linens upstairs. All the boxes are back where they belong, but I didn't have time to organize the linens. So they're cleaned and washed and they're upstairs, but they're laying in safe spots for now. So I might could use 1 or 2 more pieces of Thanksgiving fabric. The tablecloth I'm going to swap is underneath there, but I'd prefer something orangey here, for example. But yeah, I got more done than I thought, and there's always more to do. Hi. Hi, were you a good helper? Mostly say, Mom, I just stayed out of trouble and out of the way. Yes, a good girl, nighttime. Good girl. Good girl. So Don asked me if he was supposed to dress for Halloween or fall/Thanksgiving, and I said Halloween, so he got out his pumpkin shirt and orange socks. Yes. I have on the Little Red Riding Hood costume that I grabbed last year in case Michelle had a party and she didn't, and I suppose I'll let somebody take a picture of me in it over at Michelle's house.
Yeah. Well, I don't have to worry about dressing up for Halloween. I'm usually pretty scary.
Oh, Donnie. Typical guy comment, though. I really like it, Michelle. I really do. It's great. Oh, it's scary, girl. Look at how pretty you are. I mean, spooky you are. Jarvis! Hi, buddy. Hello. I haven't seen this one. Is this one new?
Yeah, it's a brick rat, something like that.
That one is really spooky. Hi, Jarvis. Come on, buddy. You do look fantastic.
Thank you. Please enter.
Oh my God.
Hi, Mr.
Oh my God!
Hello. Oh, you look awesome too.
You look amazing.
Oh, I did
Wow,
something.
very dapper.
Child, but I tried.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
And this is your McDonald's cups.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I see you put your, I guess they're called lithographs or lithopanes or something like that. So did Kitty get up here, get
That
little
was either fat tabula.
fat tabula? Yeah. It looks amazing. Michelle's house where it's horror and Halloween all year long. Oh my God. Every time I visit and come down, it just gets better and better. Many a, card game and fun here. I really need to give Michelle my other gypsy head thing. I have something to give her. Something I should give her. Ooh. First off, I wanted everyone to see your beautiful costume. Yes, so you both have white and black stripes. Oh, Misha, right? Yes. We're going to name Kitty Misha. So M-E-I-S-H-A?
Yes.
Misha has nails, and Ariel doesn't have on a lot of. Oh, hi, baby kitty. Okay. She's hungry. Oh, look at baby. Baby Misha. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wow.
Well, tomorrow she'll have her wet food.
Wet food for the first time. See if she's interested. Well, that'll be fun because she'll have her feet in the food and it'll be all over her, and then she'll want to love you with those feet.
Oh, God.
Oh no, don't start. Well, I don't even need to press a syringe. She's like sucking it down and running around.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, you were trying to feed her when everybody showed up or something, so she didn't quite. Devin's doing an excellent job. Seems to be a suspicious mist.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that one's pretty spooky. That one's pretty spooky. So it's Ariel's senior year, and Connor's not too far behind her, and they've got friends over and having a really good time. And I just show you a little bit of the driveway since we weren't over here. We didn't come over on Halloween night because we were coming over today. skeleton black flamingos. Yeah, it looks.
Chainsaw.
Yeah, it looks good.